Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get vitamin B2 naturally. Riboflavin is a crucial nutrient that helps your body convert food into energy, supporting cell function and growth. Understanding its importance is the first step to ensuring you get enough. Adult men typically need 3 milligrams of riboflavin each day, while adult women require 1 milligrams to maintain optimal health and well-being. Dairy products are fantastic for boosting your B2 intake. A glass of milk or a serving of yogurt can significantly contribute to your daily needs. Don't forget about eggs, either. They are another simple and effective way to add more riboflavin to your diet. Try starting your day with an omelet or adding cheese to your lunch for a delicious boost. Beyond dairy and eggs, lean meats are powerful sources of riboflavin. Consider including beef or chicken liver in your diet for a substantial boost. Green vegetables like spinach and broccoli also pack a good amount of vitamin B2. For an extra edge, many fortified cereals can help you reach your daily recommended intake with ease. To get the most out of your B2-rich foods, proper storage is key. Keep light-sensitive foods away from direct light, as riboflavin can degrade. Also, be mindful of your cooking methods. Steaming or roasting can help retain more nutrients than boiling. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.